Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Razer Pro Click Mini, a mouse designed specifically for boosting productivity in the office environment. We'll explore its features, performance, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Let's start with the design. The Razer Pro Click Mini comes in a compact form factor, smaller than its predecessor, making it ideal for portability. It's symmetrical, which means it's suitable for both left and right-handed users, although it might take some adjustment for lefties due to button placement. The mouse feels premium with its plastic casing, featuring a pearl white base and gray accents. Unlike Razer's typical gaming mice, it skips RGB lighting for a more professional look, which is perfect for office settings. It's lightweight yet substantial at around 111 grams with batteries, striking a balance between portability and stability. In terms of performance, the Pro Click Mini shines in office environments. It boasts silent mechanical switches for its primary clicks, ensuring you won't disturb colleagues with loud clicking noises. This feature alone significantly enhances the work environment, especially during intense focus sessions. One standout feature is its scroll wheel, offering both an infinite scrolling mode for quickly navigating through lengthy documents and a tactile mode for precise scrolling. This versatility is excellent for multitasking across different applications, whether you're breezing through spreadsheets or catching up on emails. On the connectivity front, it supports both Bluetooth and a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, providing flexibility in how you connect to your devices. The mouse can also pair with up to 4 devices, allowing seamless switching between them with a dedicated button underneath. Battery life is another strong suit. Powered by alkaline batteries, Razer claims an impressive 725 hours on Bluetooth and 465 hours on 2.4 GHz wireless. While I didn't test these figures extensively, it's clear that the Pro Click Mini excels in longevity, reducing the hassle of frequent battery changes. However, no product is without its flaws. One notable drawback is its lack of ergonomic design. While it's comfortable for short-term use, prolonged sessions might lead to discomfort, especially for users prone to wrist strain. Additionally, the scroll wheel in tactile mode can be slightly noisy, which can be distracting in quiet environments. Another downside is its software compatibility. Unfortunately, the customization software, Synapse 3, is only available for Windows users. This limitation means macOS users won't be able to fine-tune settings like scroll wheel sensitivity, which might be a deal-breaker for some. So, should you consider the Razer Pro Click Mini? If you're looking for a sleek, silent, and feature-packed mouse tailored for office productivity, it's certainly worth considering. Its silent clicks, versatile scrolling options, and impressive battery life make it a strong contender in the productivity mouse market. However, if ergonomic design or macOS compatibility is crucial for your workflow, you might want to explore other options like the Logitech MX Vertical. Ultimately, the Pro Click Mini delivers where it matters most, enhancing your productivity with minimal distractions. That wraps up our review of the Razer Pro Click Mini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.